Did you tell your name to the partner? Yes. एक दूसरे को देख के बोलो. Did you tell your age? Every one of you, did you tell your age?
Yes.
No. Yes. नहीं सच्ची बता. Did you tell the place you belong to?
Yes.
Did you tell your qualification?
Yes.
Everyone did? Did you tell your family members? Number of family members? You didn't discuss. Everyone did not discuss. Few of you discussed. Did you talk about your profession?
Yes.
Did you talk about your passion?
Yes.
Did you talk about your strengths?
No.
Strengths. अच्छा. Strengths you spoke. Okay. The weaknesses?
No.
Okay. Why are you here on this station?
Yes.
You talk. Why are you here? What is your purpose? No. आपस में बता दिया कि नहीं बताया? Good. Another question for you. Did you tell your partner what is your future goal after winning the pageant?
No.
Did you tell your partner why she deserves to win?
No.
You didn't tell your partner that?
Because of the time traps, we didn't reach there.
Okay. But let me tell you, in that 60 seconds you have to tell all this. I'm not saying the time was less. In that 60 seconds or 99 तो नहीं मिलेगा, 60 seconds only, you have to tell all of it. So what to do? Now the question comes, what to tell, what to